Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is M. Fartigar Batubara. I'm from class 3 MSU. I want to tell about pronoun. Pronouns, subject, object, pronouns. Pronoun digunakan untuk menggantikan kata benda. Noun, subject digunakan untuk menggantikan subjek, dan objek. Pronoun digunakan sebagai kata ganti objek. Subject pronoun: I, you, he, she, it. Singular: me, you, him, her, it. Plural: one, we, two, you, three, they. Use, you, them. I, you, she, we, and they digunakan sebagai kata ganti orang. It digunakan untuk kata ganti benda atau mengatakan siapa seseorang. Contohnya, who is that? Is my friend Harry? Who is this? Is my brother John? Bisa juga digunakan untuk menanyakan kelamin seseorang. Is it boy or a girl? Is a boy. He, she, atau they digunakan untuk memberikan informasi tentang mereka. Who is John or Nancy? He or she is my classmate. Objek pronoun digunakan setelah be. Who is it? It's me. It's him. Bisa juga digunakan setelah us or then. He is taller than me. I am as tall as him. Possessive adjective pronouns. Possessive adjectives dan possessive pronouns digunakan untuk menunjukkan kepunyaan. Possessive adjectives contohnya possessive pronouns: my, mine, your, yours, his, his, her, hers, it, its. Plural: our, ours, your, yours, their, theirs. Possessive adjective digunakan untuk menunjukkan kepunyaan. Di belakang possessive adjective harus diikuti kata benda. This my car. This our car. This is our dictionary. These are the dictionaries. Possessive pronoun juga digunakan untuk menunjukkan kepunyaan. Di belakang possessive pronoun tidak boleh diikuti kata benda. This book is mine. This book are ours. This pen is. This pen is. These pens are theirs. Kita menggunakan s untuk menunjukkan suatu kepunyaan jika kata benda pertama adalah orang atau makhluk hidup lainnya. The new manager's office is on the second floor. Mr. Galang's son is very clever. The horse tail is very long. The cow's head is very big. Jika kata benda pertama adalah bukan kepunyaan orang atau makhluk hidup, kita bisa menggunakan of. The leg of the table, the window of the room, the beginning of the film. Kita gunakan s jika kata benda pertama adalah satu organisasi atau sebuah lembaga, the government, the decision government, atau the decision of the government. The company success atau the success of the company bisa digunakan untuk nama-nama tempat, negara, dan lain-lain. The town is new swimming pool. The city is new theater. Indonesia large cities. The world population. Nah, setelah kata benda singular kita menggunakan apostrophe. Untuk s apostrophe kita gunakan sesudah kata benda plural. Singular noun, plural noun. My sister new books. My sister new books. Mr. Jackson's house, the Jackson house. My friend house, my friend house. S bisa juga digunakan untuk beberapa keterangan waktu. Today newspaper, yesterday's report, last Sunday's newspaper, this evening's report. Possessive adjective plus own. Kita bisa gunakan own sudah possessive adjective untuk menegaskan arti atau menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu betul milik kita. My own, our own, your own, his own, their own, her own. This is my own dictionary. That is our own car. He lives in their own house. On plus possessive adjective plus own or reflexive pronoun. On my own atau by myself berarti sendiri. Kita bisa mengatakan I like living on my own atau I like living by myself. The double genitive is friend of mine. Dalam kalimat dikatakan, he is a friend of mine, or yours, hers, his, our, theirs, atau he is friend of my brother Tommy Jones. He is your friend, bukan he is friend yours. Atau he is friends of yours, bukan he is a friend of you. He is just John's a friend, atau he is a friend of John's, bukan he is a friend of John. Reflective pronoun. Reflective pronoun adalah singular plural. Myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, himself, themselves, herself, itself. Reflexive pronoun sering digunakan dengan kata-kata amuse, blame, cut, dry, enjoy, hurt, introduce, pride. I enjoyed myself at the party last night. My sister cut herself with the bread knife. Verb plus reflexive pronoun. Setelah kata-kata dress, hide, save, was kadang-kadang digunakan untuk menegaskan bahwa yang dia lakukan adalah perjuangan dari dirinya sendiri. He has learned to dress herself. He tries to save himself. Refleksi pronoun setelah kata-kata depan preposition look after yourself, take care of yourself. Kita menggunakan by plus refleksi pronoun untuk menunjukkan bahwa dia melakukan sendiri. She made the dress by herself. She lived by herself. Kadang-kadang digunakan juga untuk menekankan sebuah arti. Dictionary itself is very expensive. You yourself kicked the boy. Mother herself made this.